Hello, grade 3. How are you? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going first to continue our lesson last week, lesson 2.2, before we took the new lesson. In lesson, last week, in lesson 2.2, the title of my lesson was Adding with Regrouping Twice. Look here, you have a number with a 3-digit. We have number here, for example, this question, a number with a 3-digit and number with 2-digit. They wrote it for us horizontal. We arrange them vertical and we start adding the ones, the tens, and the hundreds will go down. So they give you a question horizontal and you are going to do it vertical. You have homework until this question now. For this part, we didn't solve. This is what I will start with you. First, find the missing digit. They wrote for us a number with 3-digit. 2 of them, we know them, and the third one we don't. And we are going to fill the missing numbers by adding. You are going to add the digits and notice how much is the difference, and you are going to put it in the empty square. For example, let's go to the ones. They said a number plus 1, the answer is 6. How much you add to the 1 to become 6? Yes, you are correct. It's 5. It is 5, so I will write here 5. I will write here 5. Okay. If you let us check, 5 plus 1, 6. Now look, go to the tens. 6, it becomes 8. How much I give to the 6 to become 8? 2. So finish. We find the answers for the 2 empty boxes. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. And 2 plus 5, 7. Now let's go to this number. In this number, I don't know the ones and the tens. So I will add to know how much I should write above. What number you add it to 8, it becomes 3. Is there any number when you add it to 8, it will be 3? Is this a 3 or it's another number? Yes, you are correct. It's 13. It is not a 3. So what number you add to it, it becomes 13. Yes, it is 5. Let's try. 5 plus 8, 13. 3, 1 above this box. Then 1 plus 4, 5. 5, it becomes 7. How much I should add to the 5? 2. Yes. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7, how much do you give to the 7 to become 9? Yes, it is 2. So 7 plus 2, the answer is 9. Now, think about the third question. Yalla, think about the third question. Who will start? Now, let's go to the ones. The ones becomes 6. How much do you give the ones to? It becomes 6. Yes, it is 4. So 2 plus 4, the answer is 6. How much do you give to the 8 to become 2? As the question before, it is not 2, it is 12. So what number you add to the 8 to becomes a 12? Yes, it's 4. 4 plus 8, the answer is 12. 2 and 1 above. 1 plus 8, 9. The 9 becomes 14. It's not 4, it's 14. How much you add to the 9 to become 14? Yes, it is 5. So that's 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. You will write the whole number. It will be 1,426. Now, let's go and do the last one. You'll do it by yourself, then we'll check the answer. With what digit I will start? Yes, with the ones. How much is the ones? 2 plus what? 5 plus what? It becomes 1. It can't be 1. It can be what? 11. This is 11. I put 1 here and 1 above. So 5, it becomes 11. How much? 6. 5 plus 6, it's 11. 1 and 1 above. Now 1 plus 7, it's 8. This is not 3. This is 13. 1 plus 8, 7, 8. 8 started 13. How much did you give to the 8? Yes, it is 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 3 and 1 above. 1 plus 6, 7. It becomes 2. It is not 2. As we said, it's 12. So 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 5. 1 plus 6, 5, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. 1 plus 1, 2, they wrote it for us. So you should start digit by digit, and if you notice that the number, for example, it was, if I go to the notes, if you have a number, for example, if you have here 5, if you have here for example 5 in the ones, okay, and they wrote for you a box here, and the 5 becomes 6. Of course the 5 is smaller, so you can, how much you add to the 5 to become 6? 1. 5 plus 1, it's 6. But if they wrote for you 5 with an empty box, and they wrote for you here 1, okay, how can the 5 become 1 and you are adding, you are not subtracting? You should know that this is not 1, it's 11. They put 1 here in the ones, and they are going to carry 1 in the tens. Now, if you come to the tens, so 1, this should be 5. 5 plus 6, the answer is 11. 1 and 1 above. 1 plus something, okay, 1 plus something, it becomes, for example, 0. How can 1 become 0? It is not, it can't be 0. This should be here, what, 9. 1 plus 9, 10. How will you write the 10? You will write 0 here, and you will carry 1 up. This is how I solve this question, okay? Now, let's go to the last part of the lesson, and here it's problem solving. In this part, we are going to solve problem solving. Now, okay, now look, use the table to fill the boxes, the empty boxes. They mean this table. Look what they wrote. They show us 2 kinds of trees: olive trees, apple trees, orange trees, fig trees. Fig trees يعني تين. Of course, olive يعني زيتون. Now, they are asking about questions, and we are going to solve. Let's go to number 1. The total of olive trees and orange trees is, what did we say before? If they ask about what total means, yes, it means a plus. If I have a question, in the question they said how much is the total, how much altogether, how much they are in all, you are going to do what? You are going to add, okay? Now they give you space here, and you are going to write in it. I will go to the note, to a white paper. I will solve there, so there will be space to solve, okay? Now, the question said, what is the total? What is the total of olive trees and orange? Let's go to the table and tell me how much is the olive trees. How much is olive? Olive يعني زيتون. Okay, how much? It is 675. And how much is the orange tree? How much is the orange? 188. And we said that if they are asking about total, it means what you are going to do. We are going to add. We are going to add if they are asking about the total. Total means they need the number altogether. Okay, we are going to add. Okay, now we are going to add olive trees, 675 with oranges trees 188. And I will write the question horizontal. Okay, they gave us space to write the question horizontal. You are going to solve question number 1, the total of olive, olive tree, how much is we said 600, it is olive tree plus, total means plus what? Orange trees. Olive, how much is the olive? 675 plus how much is the orange? The orange is 188. Of course, I can add them if I want horizontal, or I can put them under each other. If you want to align the digits under each other, it will be 675 plus 188. Look how I align the numbers under each other. Now you are going to add 5 plus 8, 13. I will not write the 13 all of it down. 3 and 1 above. 1 to 7, 8. 8 to 8, 16. Again, 6, 1 above. 1 to 6, 7, 1, 8. So the answer is 863. They said, what is the total of the olive trees? How we write 863 trees. My unit is trees, okay? Now, look how I align the numbers under each other and I add them because they said total. Totals means plus, okay? Because of that, I add 675 plus 188. Of course, you can do it horizontal if you want. How this will be? Okay, look how the 5 will go with the 8. 5 مع 8, 13, 3, 1 above. 1 to 6, 1 to 7, 8. 8 to 8, 16. 1 to 6, 7, 1, 8. Now this is part 1. The question number 2, they said what is the... They said the total of apple trees and fig trees. Where is the apple? The apple is 246. And the fig trees, the total is 26. Together, you are going also to add, okay? You are going to add, I will go, they said apple, and we are going, total means plus, apple plus fig, equal. Now, apple, how much is the apple? 246 plus, fig how many? 26. This is number with 2 digits, this number with 3 digits. The ones will go with the ones. 6 plus 6, it's what? 12. 2, 1 above the 100, the tens. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 7. Then the 100 will go down, so 272 trees. Okay, the total. They are asking about the total. Total means you are going to add. Now, the last question in the lesson was the total of all the trees is, they want you to add the olive trees, the apple trees, the orange trees, the fig, the total of the 4 trees together. Total means a plus, as we said. Now, so I will start from olive, 675 plus 246 plus 188 plus 6. They want all the trees together. How many? Okay. Now I can arrange the numbers under each other. For 6, it is 600. It is 600. Hmm. 600. 600. I will write here. I need to write 675 where did it go? Okay, the last part of the question is the total of all the trees. You are going to add the olive trees 675 plus الابل tree اللي هم 246 plus الأورنج 188 plus الفig 26. I will arrange, this is horizontal, I will arrange the numbers vertical 6, 7, 5, 2, 4, 6, 1, 8, 8, 26. Okay, now you are going to add the ones, then the tens, then the hundred. 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 8, 19, 19 plus 6, 25, 5, or 2 above. 2 7 9 9 4 13 14 8 22 23 24 4 2 above 2 6 8 8 7 8 9 2 6 8 8 to 2 10 2 6 8 8 to 2 10 10 10 1 11 and I will write it all of it, so the answer is 1145. 1145. Let's check again the answer. 5 6 11 8 19 19 6 19 6 25 5 2 7 9 9 9 4 13 13 8 13 2 7 9 9 4 13 13 2 15 15 8 15 8 it is 23. I will add it again. 6 7 5 2 4 6. Make spaces between the digits. It will be easy for you. Yes. Okay. Now. 6 to 6 12 12 5 17 17 8 25 5 2 above 2 7 9 9 4 13 14 with 3 14 2 7 9 9 4 2 7 9 9 4 13 13 10 23 3 2 above 2 6 8 7 8 9. So 2 6 8 1 9, but we have above 2 2 6 8 8 2 10 11. Yes, 11. Okay, 11. Okay, so the number is 1135. Okay, now let's go to the last question. Which is greater? They said in the question, they said, which is greater, the number of the olive trees or the orange trees? Let's go. The orange tree, what is the number? Okay. They said, which is more, which is greater, which is bigger, الأوليف tree شجر الزيتون or الأورنج tree. Look, let's put the numbers under each other. الأوليف tree, how much is الأوليف tree? 675. And how much is the orange tree? الأورنج 188. Of course, which number is greater? If you look, 3 digit, 3 digit, this number has 6 in the 100. This one has what? 1 in the 100. So the 6 is greater. This number goes to what? To olive trees. So I will write down in the box olive trees. Okay? This number of trees is greater. Now, I will give you a homework, okay? If you go to page 15, go to page 15, okay? Let's go to the box again, okay. Okay, if we go to this lesson, the lesson is how to add 3 numbers together, or two numbers. Each of them has 4 digit or 3 digit. Align your digit under each other. Start with the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. In page 14, you are not going to solve anything. It is solved for you. So you are going to go to this page, here, page 15, and they started adding for you 2 numbers together, 5 plus 7, 6, 11, 1 and 1 above, regroup, 1 to 5, 6, 6 to 2, 8, 4 to 2, 6, 5 with 3, 8. So all of this line, they solve it for you. The homework will be for you, grade 3. The homework, I will solve one question like that, then you are going to solve all of these as a homework. This is the homework. Okay, I will do this question. In this one, they put 3 numbers and they want to add them. The good thing that they order the numbers under each other and they align the digit correctly. So you will go, for example, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 7, and 1 above the tens. 1 to 0, 1, 1 to 8, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 2 and 1 above. Okay, 1 to 6, 7, 7 to 8, 15, 15 to 1, 16, 1 above the 1,000, 1 with 3, 4. So you need to align your numbers under each other, look, okay, correctly. You have these 3 lines to solve. It's a homework for you. I want to remind you to get the books if you don't have it till now. Until we meet next week, stay safe. Bye-bye.